How to make anyone respect you instantly. Do you aspire to earn the respect of everyone you encounter? It's widely acknowledged that garnering respect is a crucial element of achieving success in life. However, the question remains, how can you accomplish this, and, more importantly, how can you ensure that people consistently hold you in high regard? Scientific research has unveiled concrete strategies that can help you secure the respect you rightly deserve. In this video, we will unveil these 12 proven tactics and teach you how to wield them to your advantage, ultimately freeing you from any concerns about respect. Let's begin. 12. Respect yourself first. Let's engage in a brief mental exercise. Consider someone you deeply admire. This individual could be a family member, friend, colleague, or even a well-known figure. Now, reflect on the reasons behind your admiration. The answer is often straightforward: it's because they prioritized self-respect. They exude confidence in their identity and their actions. When you respect yourself, it becomes evident to others, evident in your demeanor and the decisions you make. To garner respect from others in any circumstance, it's essential to convey that you hold yourself in high esteem first. 11. Don't be nice all the time. Contrary to popular belief, constantly being overly accommodating is not the path to earning respect. In fact, it can often yield the opposite result. People can see through someone who consistently seeks to please others at the expense of their own convictions, making them appear vulnerable and uncertain. Instead of earning respect, you're more likely to be taken advantage of. Of course, this doesn't mean you should adopt an abrasive attitude towards everyone you encounter. Rather, it's important not to habitually prioritize others' needs over your own. It's perfectly acceptable to assert yourself and defend your interests when the situation calls for it. There exists a significant distinction between being a doormat and being genuinely kind and assertive. The former will lead to being exploited, while the latter will earn you respect. 10. Set clear boundaries. In order to grasp the preceding point, it is vital to understand the skill of establishing distinct boundaries. This is a challenge that many individuals face, yet it is a fundamental requirement if you wish to earn respect. You must be unequivocal about what you will and will not accept from others. If someone crosses your boundaries, do not hesitate to assertively communicate your discomfort. They might not even be aware of their actions causing you distress. It is equally crucial to set boundaries in your personal life. There's no obligation to constantly say yes to every request or invitation you receive. It's perfectly acceptable to prioritize your own needs at times. Keep in mind that setting clear boundaries communicates to others that you value and respect yourself, and that you are not easily manipulated. This, in turn, plays an indispensable role in gaining respect from those around you. 9. Speak up when you disagree. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you held a differing viewpoint from someone but chose to remain silent to avoid confrontation? We've all experienced such moments at some juncture. However, here's the crux: when you abstain from expressing your disagreement, others might assume you endorse their stance or actions. They may believe you lack an independent perspective or, worse, that you align with their perspective. It is imperative to articulate your opinions and champion your beliefs, even if it entails engaging in a spirited debate. Speaking your mind demonstrates integrity and garners respect, even from those who may not share your viewpoint but acknowledge your courage in voicing it. So, don't hesitate to express yourself next time. Let people know your authentic perspective. 8. Don't over-apologize. Indeed, offering apologies when you've made a mistake is important, but it's crucial to differentiate between a genuine apology and a disingenuous one. An insincere apology typically arises when one is attempting to save face after being caught in the wrong. It lacks the authenticity of genuine remorse for one's actions. On the contrary, a sincere apology signifies true remorse for one's conduct. It involves acknowledging the mistake and making an earnest effort to rectify it. People can usually discern when an apology is insincere, so it's vital to extend apologies only when they genuinely reflect your feelings. Apologizing excessively can convey weakness and insecurity. Therefore, it's advisable to carefully consider whether an apology is warranted before saying, "I'm sorry." 7. Display confident body language. This is a significant step that often goes unnoticed by many. Your body language wields substantial influence over how others perceive you, and it can be a deciding factor in whether you earn or lose respect. If your aim is to gain respect, mastering the art of projecting confidence through body language is imperative. This entails maintaining an upright posture, establishing and maintaining eye contact, and articulating your thoughts with clarity and assurance. It also involves being attuned to your nonverbal signals, ensuring they convey the intended message. For instance, excessive fidgeting or constant hairplaying can create an impression of nervousness and insecurity. Make a concerted effort to radiate confidence in every interaction, and you'll find that people will begin to respect you more readily. 6. Act respectfully. While this should be evident, it's astounding how many individuals fail to grasp it. To earn the respect of others, you must extend respect to them initially. This entails treating them with courtesy and politeness, even in situations where they may not appear to deserve it. It involves actively listening to their perspectives and affording them the benefit of doubt. It means refraining from judgment or condescension, essentially adhering to the "treat others as you wish to be treated" principle. By doing so, you compel them to reciprocate with respect in kind. 5. Keep your promises. Do you fall into the category of individuals who consistently uphold their commitments, or do you resemble that unreliable friend who frequently cancels plans at the 11th hour? If earning respect is a priority, it's crucial to be someone who follows through on their promises. This implies that if you make a commitment, you must honor it without offering excuses. People hold those who are reliable and dependable in high regard, so it's imperative to maintain a track record of keeping your word. This practice can significantly enhance your reputation. 4. Add real value. To garner respect from others, it's vital to contribute positively to their lives. This entails embodying the qualities of someone who enhances rather than diminishes their experiences. It involves offering assistance and support instead of fostering negativity and destructiveness. It means consistently seeking avenues for improving circumstances and facilitating the lives of those around you. It's important to distinguish this from people-pleasing, as it doesn't entail doing things you're uncomfortable with but rather being genuinely helpful. By becoming the kind of individual who genuinely adds value to the lives of others, you will find that respect from them will come your way swiftly. 3. Be open-minded. This can be a challenging concept for many individuals, yet it holds great significance in earning respect. Open-mindedness entails a readiness to embrace fresh ideas and alternative perspectives, even when they diverge from your own. It involves maintaining an impartial outlook and the capacity to appreciate multiple facets of any matter. Being open-minded necessitates flexibility and adaptability instead of adhering rigidly to one's own beliefs. By cultivating open-mindedness, you'll discover that people respect your capacity to comprehensively examine and appreciate various viewpoints on every issue. 2. Control your emotions. If you consult any esteemed leader, they will emphasize the significance of emotional control as one of the most essential traits an individual can possess. To earn respect, it's imperative to acquire the skill of managing your emotions effectively. This entails refraining from reacting impulsively to minor provocations, avoiding overreactions or becoming defensive in response to criticism, and maintaining composure and rationality even in the most challenging circumstances. Demonstrating this capacity to maintain a calm and level-headed demeanor under pressure will undoubtedly garner respect from others. 1. Listen more than you speak. One of the most effective methods to demonstrate respect for others is by actively listening to their thoughts and opinions. This entails providing your undivided attention and refraining from interrupting when they are expressing themselves. In a comprehensive study encompassing over 100 CEOs, the capacity to listen emerged as the most vital quality for a leader. Hence, if you seek respect, it is essential to dedicate the time and effort to genuinely hear and understand what others are conveying. Final thoughts. As evident from this discussion, the foundation of respect lies not solely in your words or actions but in your core character. By embodying qualities of perpetual respect, you will naturally inspire others to reciprocate. From valuing yourself to establishing boundaries and prioritizing attentive listening over incessant speaking, these psychological insights can significantly contribute to your quest to evolve into a more respected individual. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.